और तो कोई ओन करता नहीं है। एनीवे चलो, मैं लेट मी जस्ट फॉलो बैक ऑन दैट ट्रेंड लाइन। एक बार मैं एक दोबारा से आपको एक रिकैप दे देता हूँ, बिकॉज दैट वाज एन इम्पोर्टेंट यू नो चैप्टर। सो ट्रेंड लाइन का कंसेप्ट सभी को समझ में आ गया है कि हाउ डज ट्रेंड लाइन वर्क। ट्रेंड लाइन, ये गोल्ड में देखो कितना बढ़िया एग्जांपल है। अभी ये लाइव चार्ट है 15 मिनट्स का, और अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं इस पे, हैड वी ड्रॉन अ ट्रेंड लाइन हेयर, एवरीबडी पे अटेंशन, ये एक बार दोबारा से देख लो इन केस अगर किसी कोई मिस कर गया है तो इफ वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ सेल ट्रेड, अगर हमें सेल की ट्रेड देखनी है तो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू ड्रॉ द ट्रेंड लाइन बिलो द कैंडल्स। सो कैंडल की जो विक है नीचे से एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 टचेज, एंड वी कैन जस्ट ड्रॉ इट लाइक दैट। ऐसे हम इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। दैट विल बी योर परफेक्ट ट्रेंड लाइन। एंड उसके बाद डोंट गो फॉर अ डायरेक्ट एंट्री। आई मीन if you want to play safe, the best thing to do is to then draw a zone. Always mark a zone. So the zone will be from the start of this. So what you can do is, ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन है ये हमारे जोन के बीच में आ जाए। सो समवेयर इन द मिडल it can fit your zone. So let's say this is the zone that you have marked. Now, what you need to do is that you need to place your sell order, short position. So you can just use this tool. ये आपकी एंट्री है। लेट्स से 3420, दिस इज योर एंट्री। ठीक है, दिस इज योर एस एल। जो इस रेक्टेंगल का जो ऊपर वाली जो लाइन होगी, दैट विल बी योर एस एल विच इज 3424। दिख रहा है सभी को? ये क्लियर है? एंड यू कैन एम फॉर एटलीस्ट 1:3। सो डोंट एम एनीथिंग लेस देन 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बड़े मूव्स आएंगे। एंड इफ यू वांट टू कैप्चर बिग मूव्स, मेक श्योर दैट you know you should know how to use this tool correctly, which is the trend line. So this is simple and straightforward. Just draw a trend line from the below wicks and then draw a zone. Make sure कि आपकी trend line उसके बीच में है. So the bottom line will be your entry. The above line of the rectangle will be your SL, and then you can use this projection tool to take a profit of at least 1:3. 8 out of 10 times you will get a profit of this out of this. If you use this strategy, this works at least 8 to 10 times. So this is for sell trades. And now if you same way, if you want to look for a buy trade, अगर आपको buy करना है तो you can use it the same way. देखो, कहीं जाना, इसमें ज़्यादा दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें इतनी बार ये this things happen so many times that you don't even need to you know go looking for the patterns or the setups. You can just find them everywhere. They're everywhere. Okay. So जैसे मैंने बोला था कि if you want to look for a buy trade, अगर एसेट आपका is trending upwards, which is in bullish you know trend, then what you can do is just draw this trend line like this. यहाँ से ऊपर से make sure that you get at least 3 to 4 good touches, and then like I said, draw a rectangle. Make sure that the trend line is in between your rectangle. ठीक है? And look, what will happen is then you need to just put a buy limit order, long position. Long position, this will be your entry, which is 3373, which is the जो ऊपर वाली जो रेक्टेंगल की हमारी लाइन है, that will be your entry. And then the bottom one will be your SL. So everything is predefined. You don't need to, you know, work out your SL. क्योंकि अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रीच हुई तो this SL will be most probably taken out as well. You will be stopped out of the trade. So there's no point taking a bigger SL. क्योंकि अगर आप नीचे तक का भी SL लोगे, if you think about कि भाई मैं नीचे चला जाऊंगा, और you will be still taken out of the trade because now the trend line has been broken. So this is no longer acting as support. Before it was a resistance, but now it was acting as a support. That was the whole idea behind taking this trade, because the previous support, resistance rather, was broken, and now it's going to act like a support. That's why we want to take a trade. But once the support is broken, guys, it's no longer useful. Then agar price ऊपर आता है, then we can use it as a resistance. But for now, we're gonna let it go. And so that's why there's no point taking a bigger SL. If some smart guy will think कि यार मैं जो है ना SL बढ़ा देता हूँ, so I won't be stopped out. कितना ही बड़ा SL ले लो, this is gold that you're trading with. And forex, there is a 7 trillion, you know trading that is going on every day. आपके पास अगर 60 ट्रिलियन से ज्यादा पैसा है तो आप लगा सकते हो नीचे तक, फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, प्राइस कहीं ना कहीं से घूम के आ ही जाएगा आपके पास. अगर नहीं है, इफ यू डोंट हैव मिलियंस टू इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट, then use an SL. SL is your lifeline. You know, don't be shy about using an SL. Every good trader has a predefined SL and a predefined entry before they take a trade or at they enter a setup. Because if you don't have a predefined SL, you are on the mercy of the market, and the market can go anywhere. It's not going to ask you कि कहाँ से मैं घूम के वापस आऊं. नहीं, if you have an SL, it's like a life jacket. It's like a lifeline. आपका, you are going to protect your capital. It's like an insurance. People think कि यार मेरा SL लेके प्राइस चला गया. It's fine enough. Okay, then improve your strategy. Make it better. Refine करो strategy को. Hopefully then next time it won't take your SL out, and you will be tagged alone in the trade. So like this, I've given you both the examples, एक sell करने का, एक buy करने का. Clear, Abhishek? हेलो.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी सर, क्लियर है, क्लियर है।
तो सेल करना है तो ट्रेंड लाइन कहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे?
ये नीचे की तरफ, मतलब जैसे जहां पे आपने ड्रॉ कर रखी है ना,
हाँ.
ये तो बाई की हो गई।
ठीक है.
एक इसके नीचे की तरफ ड्रॉ करेंगे हम।
सेल करना है तो हम
सेल
यहाँ
कर,
ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है
हाँ,
ना?
यहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ, हाँ।
हाँ. सो ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक इट कलर कोडेड, अगर आप लोगों को ये लगता है. सो यूज दिस एज अ रेड कलर. रेड इज ऑब्वियसली सेल, राइट? रेड कलर की कैंडल है तो क्या है, सेल है ना? तो you can make it color coded to make life easy.
हम्म,
And then you can use this as a green. That way you will know, okay, yes, this is to buy, this is to sell. Now, I can give you more examples, but I'll go on forever and ever because this always works. Like I said, 90% of the times, or 80%, nothing is 100%. So don't come asking for me कि सर 100% स्ट्रेटेजी बता दो. 100% स्ट्रेटेजी किसी के पास नहीं है. तो यहाँ से अगर आपने ड्रॉ की होती है ट्रेंड लाइन, लुक अगेन, बाय ट्रेड, मेक अ जोन like this. Make sure that your trend line is sandwiched between your zone properly. जैसे सैंडविच बनाते हैं, तो यू मेक श्योर दैट आलू पैटी बीच में आराम से आ गई, ऐसे आपकी ट्रेंड लाइन शुड फिट बिटवीन योर जोन, your rectangle, whatever you want to call it, your area of interest, your point of interest. And then just use a projection tool, mark your SL, and there you go. If you let this trade run, you would have got around 7 to 8 RR, 1 is to 7 or 1 is to 8, which is absolutely fantastic, because at SMB we promote nothing less than 1 is to 3. अगर कोई 1 is to 3 से लेस अगर रिस्क टू रिवार्ड लेके चलता है, तो ही इज यू नो आस्किंग फॉर ट्रबल, क्योंकि अगर जहां आपकी साइकोलॉजी बिगड़ी, वहां आपको यू वोंट बी सेव, दिस 1 is to 3 विल सेव यू, क्योंकि 1 is to 3 अगर आप लेके चलोगे, तो यू डोंट नो मार्केट, हाउ मच द मार्केट हैज टू ऑफर. यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि यार 1 is to 1 ले लेता हूँ, 1 is to 1.5 ले. देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु विल टेल यू कि 1 is to 1 ले लो, 1 is to 1.5 ले लो. क्यों ले लो भाई? जब मार्केट हमें दे रही है, मार्केट 1 is to 5, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 6 दे रही है, तो आप 1 is to 1.5 क्यों लोगे? वट विल हैपन व्हेन द ट्रेड विल गो अगेंस्ट यू? वट विल हैपन व्हेन यू आर रनिंग लॉसेस? तब क्या होगा? So that's why, make sure that you have an healthy risk to reward. That way you will be able to survive in the market. And these are the setups that will give you that 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4 risk to reward, because they have been tested. They are back tested. I personally back tested them for, for the last 5 years. And I've seen that 80% results are there, you know, एंड अगर नहीं भी चली तो क्या होगा? एक छोटा सेल तो जाएगा. अगर ट्रेड नहीं चली तो क्या हुआ? तो एक छोटा एसएल चला जाएगा. बट अगर चली, तो आप देखो, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 5, बट स्टार्ट विद 1 is to 3. आई थिंक that's enough of trend line, examples that I've given you. Now let's move on to the other topic for today. ये ट्रेंड लाइन क्लियर है सबको, या इसमें अभी एक दो एग्जांपल और आपको चाहिए? You know how to use a trend line now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर.
We were talking about market structure the other day. Okay, we had started market structure. Now, market structure is, this is a bullish example. So what happens is the market is making higher high and higher low. Look, these are, let me draw this to you. So this is how a bullish market looks like. ठीक है? प्राइस कभी भी ऐसे नहीं जाता ऊपर. प्राइस कभी भी ऐसे नहीं जाएगा. कभी और केसेस में व्हेन देयर इज अ न्यूज और देयर इज टू मच वोलेटिलिटी इन द मार्केट, यस, तब हो सकता है कि प्राइस ऐसे ऊपर चला जाए. बट दैट्स नॉट व्हाट हैपेंस एवरी डे. यूजुअली द मार्केट runs like this. you know this is how the market behaves. So th- that's how you identify a bullish market structure trend. So look what happens here. This is called break of structure. BOS. BOS means that the price has broken the last swing high. जो आपका लास्ट स्विंग हाई था, अब प्राइस ने उसको ब्रेक करके it has made another bigger structure. Again, this is a BOS. And BOS helps you identify that the trend is in continuation. कि ट्रेंड अभी कंटिन्यू है. सो like this is your high, this is your higher high. Higher high means this high is higher than the previous high, so this is obviously a higher high. This will be your higher low, because this low is higher than the previous low. Same way again, higher high and then higher low, higher high and higher low. If market is forming these kind of structures, then we are in a bullish market. That's how you know what you are going to do today. You know, अगर market bullish है, you don't want to sell. If you go against the market, you won't survive for long. Always trend with the market, and that way life will become easy for you, and you won't find trading so much difficult. Trend is your friend. Okay, now साथ साथ मैं रब कर देता हूँ, देखो. उसके बाद नाउ लेट्स ओके. सो नाउ व्हाट डज दिस मीन कि ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर हुआ, वी फॉर्म्ड अ हायर हाई, एंड व्हाट डज दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग लो सजेस्ट? This strong low suggests that this low has put in a new high. That's why this is a strong low, because this has now put in a new high in the market. That's why we will regard this as a strong low. This will be a strong low, which is already written here. So that's how you identify a strong low. Then again, we formed a higher high, we came back, and then the market did a break of structure and moved again. So this will be again a strong low. So what is the significance of these strong lows and these strong highs? The significance means that the trend is strong and we can expect the market to move higher or the price to displace higher. I can show you a live example of these. Look, this is a chart of GBP USD. So now, if you see, this was a low which put in this new high. Then this was the higher low, but then this low didn't put a new high. So this is still our strong high at the minute, strong low rather. So this is very important because this is still our strong low. ठीक है अभिषेक, कि मार्केट ने ये इस लो से ले लेते हैं, तो इसने ये एक नया हाई क्रिएट किया विच इज हायर देन द प्रीवियस वन. दिस लास्ट स्विंग हाई, this is our break of structure.
Break of structure.
Correct?
Correct,
So
sir.
break of structure happens, then it has put in a new high. So we will regard this as a strong low. So now we are only going to look for trades which are bullish in nature. So हम सिर्फ bullish trade देखेंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना? We are not going to sell in this market because unless this low has been taken out, the market will remain bullish. Correct? So this will make life easy for you. Now let me make this bigger. Let's forget about this low for now. Now start with this low. So this low has put in a new high by giving us a break of structure. Now this will be your strong low because this has produced a new high here. इसी मोमेंटम जो मोमेंटम आया था, इसी प्राइस एक्शन से एक नया हाई क्रिएट हुआ है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेड एनीथिंग inside this will be considered now as a pullback. That will not be a change in the market direction or the change of character. ठीक है ना? So anything that happens here, we are only going to treat it as a pullback, and we'll going to take a chances to enter the market and again. So look, this is now, यहाँ से again we get a strong low. Where? Can you tell me where is the strong low now? Anyone? Next strong low कहाँ पे है? The next strong low is here, because we had a break of structure here. Correct है? This is now
क्लियर है
your,
सर।
this is now your strong low, and this is the new high that the market has, this low has produced. This one here, this is your new high. ठीक है? Now anything, look, price नीचे आया, but we are still bullish because our strong low has not been breached yet. It's still intact. ये जो लो है ये अभी टूटा नहीं है. It's still standing. Has this low, is this low been taken out? क्या प्राइस यहां से नीचे चला गया? नहीं. प्राइस सिर्फ यहां आया and just moved back. So like I told you, we will only going to treat this as a pullback and our opportunity to get into this bullish trend. ठीक है? Now look, the market has another given us another low, strong low here, and this will be our new break of structure. This is how we trade, guys. Don't trade blindly. You should know what is market structure, what is happening in the market. Most people will think, जो बिगिनर्स हैं और जो डोंट नो हाउ टू ट्रेड, कि प्राइस नीचे आ रहा है यार, चलो चलो सेल की ट्रेड लगाते हैं, चलो भाई मजा आ गया. ठीक है? लेकिन दे डोंट नो दैट unless this strong low has been taken out, we are not going to take a sell trade. Of course price नीचे आएगा, because I told you, price never moves like this. Price never, in any market you will not see a price that is moving like this. No, it's very rare. So price, if the price has to make a new higher high, it has to first create a new higher low. जब ये लो क्रिएट करेगा तभी तो नया हाई बनेगा ना. देयर विल बी अ ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इज हाउ market structure works. It's very important, pay attention. you know this is very important, so make sure that you pay attention. Now where is the next strong low? Who is going to tell me? Anyone?
नेक्स्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग लो ना सर।
कहाँ पे है नेक्स्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग लो?
ऐसे जो रेड कैंडल की वीक है ना।
देखो, अभी हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग लो ये था,
ये था, हाँ जी।
क्योंकि इसने हमें दिया था ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे.
जी।
ठीक है? एंड क्रिएटेड अ न्यू हाई. बट नाउ this will be our new strong low, because it has given us another break of structure.
हम्म।
So we are in still the trend continuation, which is the bullish trend.
हम्म।
समझ में आ रहा भाई?
आ गया सर, आ गया।
समझ में आ रहा है या मैं ऐसे ही बोले जा रहा हूँ?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आ गया आ गया।
तो प्राइस ने इसको टेक आउट नहीं किया ना, दिस
हाँ, अभी
प्रीवियस
तक नहीं
स्ट्रॉन्ग
किया।
लो. क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि दिस वाज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग लो, दिस क्रिएटेड अ न्यू हाई.
न्यू हाई, हाँ।
Yes, now there is another break of structure which is here. So this will be our new high here. बहुत सिंपल है. ये देखो, this will be our new high
हम्म।
here. So now if there is a new high, we are going to look for a new strong low, which is where? This is here. ये जो है इसने जो है नया हाई क्रिएट किया है
हम्म।
बाय गिविंग अस अ न्यू ब्रेक ऑफ
मैं
स्ट्रक्चर।
यही वाली बोल रहा था जो रेड कैंडल की विक थी।
अच्छा, आप यही बोल रहे थे, सॉरी।
हाँ, मैं
ओके,
यही बोल रहा था।
ओके, वेरी गुड। तो दिस इज हाउ यू नो दैट वी आर इन अ bullish trend. This is how you trade with the market. You don't go against the market. You respect, the trends and whatever the market is showing you. आप समझ रहे हो?
जी सर।
ठीक है।
और
स्ट्रॉन्ग लो और न्यू हाई का कंसेप्ट क्लियर है?
Yes,
अभिषेक,
sir. Yes, sir.
अदिति, आर यू देयर इन द कॉल?
Yes, sir.
सो डिड यू अंडरस्टूड what I was
Yes,
trying
sir.
to?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. So everybody is paying attention. Good. Now let's see an example of a downtrend. What happens in a downtrend? Okay, this is a perfect example of a downtrend. So, what happens in a downtrend? We will have lows and then lower high and lower lows. Okay, so this will happen in the downtrend. When we are in a downtrend, we will create here. So, whenever we are in a downtrend, we are going to create a lower high and then a lower low, then a lower high and a lower low. Why is this a lower high? Because this is lower than the previous high. Again, why is this a lower high? Because this is lower than your previous high, and this lower low is lower than your previous low. ठीक है? So this will be same like the bullish structure, but it will be different. Instead of higher highs and higher lows, we'll be now looking for lower highs and lower low. So in this, what happens is, now let me show you a live example on the chart. So let's treat this our high that has created a new low. 1 minute, guys. So this is the high that has now created a new low. And then what happens is the price created a new lower high. So this is your new lower high, and then instead of a lower low, we got a lower high. But that's again, market has now come back down again. So once this break of structure is done, this will be a weak low. Now let me come back to that. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Hello. Hello.
You are
So
not
you're not
audible, sir.
audible.
Hello, can you hear me now? Sorry, I just turned off.
Sir.
Okay, okay,
And
okay. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, great. Okay. So what I was saying is that this is the high that created a new low by giving us a break of structure here. So this will be now regarded as a strong high because this has now produced a new low. So as long as this high is intact, this high is not taken out by the price, we are only going to look for sell trades. So only when the price goes above and closes above this high, we are only look for buy opportunities. But unless that happens, we are only going to look for sell trades because the market is still giving us new lows. Again, uh, look what happened here. This high again created a new low by giving us a break of structure here. By giving us this break of structure, we have gotten a new low. So now our strong high will be this one. Every time the structure is broken to the downside, we are we will get a new low and a new strong high. So अब हम we will not treat this one as a strong high anymore. This is our strong high. So look, the price is still respecting that. You know, there has been no breach of this price. Still, this price is still intact. Price did try to go up, but then again, I told you it's only a pullback. This is your chance to get into this sell trade and look for sell opportunities. You know, so ideally, what should have happened here is if you are, listening to me, when you see the price coming this way, don't think price अब इसको तोड़ के ऊपर चला जाएगा नहीं. What will happen is that the price is going to give you a chance to sell, and because your strong high has not been broken yet, आपने देखा प्राइस जैसे ही यहाँ पे आया, it started rejecting. Do you see this candle here? This is our doji candle. It means there has been a strong rejection in the price. you know So the price has been rejected. Remember the first class I told you, okay, always look for candle confirmation. Candles are giving you a clear picture of what's happening in the market. यहाँ पे there is such a strong rejection by this candle. So you can imagine, first of all, ये हमारे हाई के पास आया था, स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई के पास, ठीक है. सो वी आर प्रीटी श्योर कि जब तक ये हाई इज नॉट टेकन आउट, we are only going to look for sell trades. Then again, we got a confirmation that there has been a doji, a rejection candle, a shooting star, whatever you want to call it, has been created by the price. And now we are pretty sure that we can look for a sell trade because we are already in a downtrend, because we had a new break of structure, a new high was created. And if you want more confirmation, you can just draw a trend line like this. Look, because now you know that I am in a downtrend market. We are not in an upward market anymore. अगर हम bullish होते तो I would have drawn a trend line above these candles. जो इनकी ये wick है यहाँ से. But now we are only going to target the lower wicks because we are going to trade lower. We are only going to look for sell support. This is a perfect setup to trade. Look, this high here gave us a new low because it gave us a break of structure, and then it is acting as a strong high. Now the price started moving towards our strong high, but we are confident that the as long as the price is still trading inside this area we can look for sell opportunities. And then how do we get a confirmation? We get a confirmation from this candle. Strong rejection. The sellers are in control still. They are not going to let the buyers take control. So that's why we get this strong rejection. And then बचा कुचा काम फिर अब ये ट्रेंड लाइन कर देगी. ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करो. उसके बाद लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, make a zone. Make sure that your trend line is between your in the middle. और ये देखो प्राइस ने हमें टैग कर दिया यहाँ पे. Had you placed a sell order, short position, एंट्री मैंने बताया सेल कर रहे हैं तो नीचे वाली लाइन आपका ऊपर वाली विल बी योर स्टॉप लॉस. एंड यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 1:3 or 1:5. In this case, we got 1:5 in one single go. 15 मिनट्स की कैंडल है, 1 घंटे में आपका टारगेट आ गया. अगर यहाँ पे आपने $200 का रिस्क किया होता तो यू वुड हैव गॉट $1,000 प्रॉफिट इन वन ट्रेड, because you know the setup. I've told you the secret के how to trade in the market. You have to look for your strong high. As long as the high is there to protect you, you can be pretty sure कि यहाँ से ये मार्केट नीचे ही है. And this candle is a confirmation. And on the top of that, you draw a trend line. You place your sell limit order. Don't do anything. Sell limit order लगाओ. Price जब भी आएगा तुम्हें टैग करेगा. And next time that you will see your phone, you will see a profit. This is how you should trade. Not like के अच्छा चार्ट पे गए, पता है नहीं कुछ के क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में, बस एक कैंडल देखी रेड, ये ग्रीन देखी किसी ने, बाय कर दो, सेल कर दो. क्यों कर दो? पागल हो? Why don't you just read the market structure first? कि मार्केट में चल क्या रहा है. मार्केट में सेल ट्रेड चल रही है भाई, फोग वोग नहीं चल रहा है, सिर्फ सेल ट्रेड चल रही है. ये देखो. अब मुझे कौन बताएगा कि नया स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई कौन सा है? आफ्टर दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई, दिस वाज अवर original strong high. Which is the next strong high? Anyone paying attention? Can anyone tell me कि यहां से which will be our new strong high? नया लो कब बना है मार्केट में? नया लो बना है यहाँ पे.
ये वाला
दिख रहा है?
हम्म,
किसने बनाया है ये लो?
ये
इस हाई ने.
वाली जो हाँ यहाँ पे बस ये स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई हो गया ना.
अब आपका नेक्स्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई कौन सा है?
नेक्स्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई
यही है ना जो मैंने
यही
लगाया
वाला है.
है.
हाँ यही वाला है.
क्योंकि नया लो तो इसने यहाँ बनाया ना, इसने बनाया ना
यहाँ
मार्केट
पे
में
बना
नया लो.
दी. जी.
इसने कोशिश की लेकिन बना नहीं. सो
हम्म.
दिस इज योर वीक हाई.
हम्म.
अगर इसने जैसे कोशिश की, ये ठीक है ना, नया बनाने से अच्छा मैं पुराने उठा लेता हूँ ना, ये बेटर. तो इसने कोशिश की लेकिन नया लो नहीं बना. प्राइस गोट रिजेक्टेड एंड गोट बैक इन द रेंज. ये देखो. सो दिस इज नॉट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई. इज इट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई? नहीं, बिकॉज इट
ये
फेल्ड टू
वीक हाई हो
ट्रेड.
गया ना फिर.
ये वीक हाई है, बिल्कुल ये वीक हाई है.
इसे हम फिर मतलब काउंट नहीं कर सकते ना उसमें.
नो, you still count your previous high as a strong high.
हम्म.
Which was your previous strong high? This one.
स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई.
जब तक वो है तब तक क्या दिक्कत है? ये सब इंटरनल है. दिस इज योर एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई. ठीक है ना? दिस इज योर हाई, दिस इज योर लो, दिस इज वेयर द मार्केट वाज ट्रेंडिंग. ठीक है. प्राइस ने आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, आपने ट्रेड ली, आपका मजा आ गया. ठीक है. उसके बाद नया लो क्रिएट हुआ है यहाँ पे.
यहाँ पे।
ठीक है, अब ये हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग आया। फिर उसके बाद प्राइस ने कोशिश की, लेकिन इट फेल टू अगेन। वी कुड हैव जस्ट गोट इनटू अ ट्रेड हेयर। अगर हम सिर्फ एक, ये जो प्रीवियस सपोर्ट का एरिया था, had we marked this support area, so we would have got a trade here. Look, how many times I've told you, previous support will now act as resistance. So ये देखो, प्राइस आया, टैग किया, नीचे चला गया। ठीक है, क्लियर है। अब जो है, हाँ, नाउ थिंग्स आर गेटिंग इंटरेस्टिंग। अब ये जो लो था, इसके बाद इसने एक कोशिश की नया हाई क्रिएट करने की, लेकिन हुआ नहीं। इट स्टिल फेल्ड। लुक, वी आर स्टिल ट्रेडिंग इनसाइड दिस जोन. We do have a new low here created by this high because it gave us a break of structure here, this one. So the structure got broken to the downside. So this is a strong high, but this high has been now taken out. So now again, let's move. We have another low here that was created by this break of structure, you know, and then we got another new low. This is a strong high, trade inside this, and any opportunity of a pullback, just sell. स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई है तो सेल, ठीक है। और अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग लो है विच इज पुटिंग अ न्यू हाई एवरी टाइम, देन जस्ट बाय। सिंपल है, ठीक है। वी रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू टू यूज एन इंडिकेटर द लास्ट टाइम। किस किस को याद है, किसी ने लगाया हुआ इंडिकेटर? अदिति, डू यू नो, रिमेंबर द इंडिकेटर आई टोल्ड यू? स्मार्ट
Yes, sir.
मनी,
Smart money concept.
correct. So on that indicator, if you go, there is a setting. मैं तुम्हें चीजें समझाता हूँ, लेकिन फिर उसका एक हैक भी बता देता हूँ बाद में, ताकि तुम कंफ्यूज ना हो। Look, this indicator has a facility, or whatever you want to call it, to show you strong, weak, high, and low. Make sure that this is checked in your indicator. Go into indicator settings and let me know if this is checked. Aditi, can you see if this is checked in your indicator? Go to inputs and see if this has been checked. Strong, weak, high, and low. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Is this ticked in your indicator tab?
Yes, sir. I ticked it.
Okay. If you ticked it, now you will see automatically it is showing you weak high and strong low. You should see this strong low and your weak high. Can you see this? Can everyone see this weak high and strong low by applying this feature in your smart money indicator?
यस सर, यस सर।
दिख रहा है? वीक हाई दिख रहा है यहाँ पे सबको? ये
हाँ
देखो,
जी, दिख
हाँ जी,
रहा है
टॉप
सर।
का जो है
ये वीक हाई।
जी।
Aditi, can you see this weak high?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the GBP USD. Do you know how to, you know, put the input value of a chart? GBP and then USD. This is pound dollar. GBP is Great British Pound, and this is USD, which is United States dollar. So click on that, and then if once you have this setting tick mark, which is show strong, weak, high and low, so now you will be able to see weak high and strong lows. So if you have a weak high and a strong low, what does it suggest? That the market is bullish, which you can obviously see with your naked eye as well, because there has been a break of structure here. Look, and the break of structure has happened on the higher side, on the buy side. That's why, we have, and this is your strong low. This is, I'm showing you on a real live chart. This is your strong low because it has created a new high. Now, again, we get this. Look, it's once you understand this concept, trading will work like magic. You will think, KR, it's so easy. And it is. It's not, doesn't need to be complicated. But if you know how it works, now, since we have this new high, the market failed to create a new high unless here. Look, we had a break of structure here because this has gone past the previous swing high को इसने तोड़ा है. So this is now your strong low and this is your new high, and look what happens. Price again came back to take out your low, but we are confident because this is a strong low here, and now we see again a candle rejection. Look, price got rejected again, and you can see this candle, this wick, this doji candle, this strong wick. What does this indicate? That you know the buyers are in control. They are protecting this low here because there's so many stop losses that are sitting here. So that's why they want to protect this price here, the strong low. And that's why what happened? Candle, and then what happens? Strong rejection. If you want more confirmation, you can just draw a trend line here. Look. And look what happens next. I mean, I can show you these examples all day. Like I told you, make a sandwich of your trend line. That would have been your entry. This would have been your stop loss. And you would have got an easy 1:5. Break of structure, a strong low, weak high. We are pretty confident that this will be taken out because we have a strong low which created this new high. And this is what happens. Price pulled back. But like I told you, we don't need to be scared of a pullback. Price agar aa raha hai, so it will be rejected. Look, and it got rejected. What a beautiful rejection. Price got rejected. Trend line confirmation. Don't take an entry yet. मैं तो यहीं पे entry ले लेता. I would have placed my buy limit order here, but it's okay for beginners. You need an extra confirmation. And where does that extra confirmation come from? From your trend line. Since now we are looking for trades which are in the buy side, so we will draw a trend line on the top of the wicks or top of the candles rather. 3-4 touches लगेंगे. उसके बाद price came to retest, and you would have got along into this trade. So this is as simple as that. Make sure that you know the direction of the market and always trade. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो मत करो trade. There is no compulsion that I have to trade today. Why? किसी ने बोला थोड़ी ना है या कसम खा रखी है कि मैंने तो ट्रेड करना है भाई आज. अगर मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो क्यों ट्रेड कर रहे हो? मत करो. unless you understand how the market is going, don't trade, don't waste your money. You will not, if you'll trade blindly, पैसा तो जाएगा, पर योर साइकोलॉजी पूरी खराब हो जाएगी, बिकॉज उस पैसे को रिकवर करने के लिए देन यू विल डू रिवेंज ट्रेडिंग. More you will trade, the more money you will lose because you don't know how to trade already. अगर आपको ट्रेड करना आता होता तो you will only trade with the trending market. There are so many confirmation here. स्ट्रॉन्ग लो है, ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर है, उसके बाद कैंडल रिजेक्शन है, एंड देन उसके बाद ट्रेंड लाइन कंफर्मेशन है. इससे ज्यादा तो फिर भगवान ही तुम्हें आगे बोलेगा कि यार यहाँ पे बाय ट्रेड ले लो. यही है मार्केट. दिस इज हाउ द मार्केट इज ट्रेडेड. यू नो, लुक, you should know how to read the market structure. If you can't read a market structure, then go and do back testing. And once you are pretty sure कि कैंडल, ये मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग लो है, ये मेरा ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज माय न्यू हाई, आई एम गोइंग टू लुक फॉर अ बाय ट्रेड. यहाँ पे कैंडल रिजेक्ट हुई है, गुड, स्ट्रॉन्ग रिजेक्शन. उसके बाद एनगल्फिंग कैंडल मैंने फर्स्ट डे समझाई थी कि एनगल्फिंग कैंडल इज द वन दैट ईट्स द प्रीवियस कैंडल. एनगल्फिंग कैंडल की कंफर्मेशन है. उसके बाद ट्रेंड लाइन की कंफर्मेशन है. आपका स्टॉप लॉस आपको पता है, आपका एंट्री आपको पता है, एंड देन योर टेक प्रॉफिट. मेक श्योर दैट यू trade like this, guys. Don't trade blindly. If you trade blindly, it's no good. Okay. Now, break of structure तो सबको पता लग गया. Break of structure is when the structure, the previous swing high or the swing low is broken towards the higher side or the downside. अगर नीचे की तरफ ब्रेक हुआ है, then also it's a break of structure, but then it's on a downward momentum. और अगर ऊपर की तरफ हुआ है तो then it's a bullish trend. अब there is another concept which you need to take care of, which is chalk, which is CHOCH, which means change of character. Change of character. Change of character doesn't mean anything rather than bullish है प्राइस तो बेरिश हो गया. दिस इज योर चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर. और अगर प्राइस बेरिश है तो वो बुलिश होगा. दिस इज योर change of character. So change of character and BOS are different. Break of structure and change of character are two different things. Break of structure will happen, in a trend continuation. This is only good for telling us a trend continuation. But change of character will tell you about trend reversal. क्योंकि like I said, मार्केट ट्रेंड्स बोथ वेज. दोनों तरफ मार्केट ट्रेड करती है, ऊपर भी जाती है, नीचे भी आती है. सो व्हेन इट्स कमिंग डाउन, देन दिस इज योर चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर, बिकॉज दिस हैज ब्रोकन अवर स्ट्रॉन्ग लो. किसी ने मेरे से अभी तक ये तो पूछा ही नहीं कि ऐसा स्ट्रॉन्ग हाई और स्ट्रॉन्ग लो ब्रेक होगा तो क्या होगा. ऐसी तो बात है नहीं ना, वो ब्रेक नहीं होते. जब वो ब्रेक होते हैं तो वी गेट अ चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर. सो इन दिस बुलिश मार्केट like this, if we get a change of character, then this market is no more bullish, no buy trade, excuse my handwriting. So this is no longer a bullish market for us. We will consider this as a bearish market. Now let me show you the examples of what I'm talking about. I always, show live examples from the chart because that way you can see what's happening in the market real time rather than showing you screenshots and templates. I believe in showing you रियल लाइव एग्जांपल्स क्योंकि ट्रेड तो आखिरी में चार्ट पे करनी है ना. तो लेट्स सी दिस एग्जांपल है. ठीक है. प्राइस वाज इन अ बुलिश ट्रेंड because it was creating new higher highs. Look, it gave a break of structure here. इसके बाद ब्रेक लेंगे. So pay attention. Break of structure and this created a new high. It has broken towards this previous high. So this is now a strong low. ठीक है. So we were in a bullish trend. So we will trend upwards. But now we get a rejection, big rejection here. Look at this candle. Big rejection. And the price started displacing downwards. ठीक है. Now this was our strong low because this had created a new high. This was the new high that was created because it gave us a break of structure. So we were still bullish up to now. But then what happens? Our strong low has been taken out. Can you see this, Abhishek? हमारा जो strong low था उसको market has taken out with these big momentum candles. So we are no longer in a bullish
Buying
market.
trade.
Which market are we trading now? Bearish.
Selling, bearish.
Sell market. Correct. So what has happened here is this has been taken out. Now this is a change of character.
Change of character.
ठीक है. This is a change of character because our strong low has been taken out. And what happens then is that the market has started trading downwards. ठीक है. Now you can start applying the whatever happens in a bearish market. So what happens in a bearish market now is that this has given us a new break of structure. So this will be our, what will be this then? क्या होता है भाई? This is a weak low. Strong high rather. Sorry. This is our strong high because it has created a new low. So now this will be strong high and this will be your low. Now we are only going to look for sell trades. Look what happens now is price is respecting our strong high because it has created a new low in the market. ठीक है. Clear है? This is a change of character that has happened in this price action. Price was trending upwards. Then we got this strong rejection and the price started displacing downside. And once this breaks our strong low, it becomes a bearish market. And now this will act as a strong high. And once we have a strong high, we are only going to look for sell trades. ठीक है. ये देखो प्राइस आया, जब तक ये इसको ब्रेक नहीं करेगा, so the price is going to, and look what happens then is we break the structure again here to the down to the upside. So this is a change of character now. This is not, this is no longer a break of structure, because in this we have the market has gone from down to the higher side. And even if you have used this smart money concept indicator, it will pre-apply these filters to you. You don't need to find them manually. Look, जहां पे मैंने मार्क किया वहीं पे इसने चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर लिखा हुआ है. कैन यू सी दिस? ये देखो, यहां पे इसने चेंज ऑफ करेक्टर मार्क किया हुआ है. So change of character is when the price has changed from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish, and break of structure is trend continuation. So if you're in a bullish trend, if there's a break of structure, we are still bullish. But if, and if you're in a bearish trend, on the other hand, if there has been a break of structure, we will still be bearish. So the trend will continue. So this is how change of character and break of structure work. You know, if you are using the smart money indicator, this will already, you know, have a feature enabled which will tell you, you know, which market are we on. Look, change of character, you know, and that's why I told you not to put the internal structure. Because don't tick this mark. Make sure that this is unchecked, because if you have this one, it will confuse you. ये देखो, मैं इसको अगर करता हूं तो it will show you break of structure, change of characters which are not important, because market has, you know, external and internal, you know, phases. तो अगर जो अंदर हो रहा है, we don't need to worry about that. क्योंकि as long as our strong high and strong low are there, whatever happens internally is only going to confuse you. So make sure that in this indicator section you uncheck this internal structure. The only thing that you should have is these. So make sure that you copy this, you know, from my indicator tab. You don't need these order blocks, nothing, you know, just strong, weak, or strong, high, equalize, and then these. Yes, we will come to these next, but make sure that you have them checked. Make sure that your indicator is exactly like mine. ठीक है?